Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best lava lamp is probably one of the most iconic and mesmerizing decorative items you can add to your space, offering a unique visual experience that has captivated people for generations with its slow-moving, colorful blobs that dance and swirl within a clear liquid, creating a soothing and hypnotic ambience perfect for relaxation, study, or simply adding a touch of retro cool to any room, making it a timeless piece that continues to enchant. Number 5. AMI Parts 8206232A Microwave Oven Light Bulb. Introducing the AMI Parts 8206232A, a 40-watt, 125-volt microwave oven light bulb. It's designed with an E17 base, perfect for illuminating the inside of your microwave. Replacing your old bulb is simple and takes just a couple of minutes. Just screw in the new one to restore light to your appliance. This bulb is compatible with a wide range of brands and models, including Whirlpool, Maytag, GE, and more. It's also a direct replacement for many part numbers. Is your microwave light dim, flickering, or not working at all? This bulb is the perfect solution to bring back clear visibility inside your appliance. Constructed with high-quality, heat-resistant materials and a special filament, this bulb is built for a longer lifespan, saving you maintenance hassle and cost. We are confident in the quality of our replacement parts. If you encounter any issues, our professional feedback team will provide a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. What we like? This bulb is designed for microwave ovens, but its versatility extends to many small appliances. If you're looking to replace a burnt-out bulb in your microwave or other household items like refrigerators or ovens, this is a reliable choice. Its ease of installation means you can quickly restore functionality to your appliances. What people say. The bulb is a perfect fit for my lava lamp and it works great. This bulb is exactly what I needed to get my lava lamp working again. It produces a nice, bright light that makes the lava flow beautifully. I was happy to find this replacement bulb. It was easy to install and the lava lamp looks as good as new. Number 4. Lava Lamp Bulbs 25W S11E17 Base 6-pack. This replacement bulb is designed specifically for E17 intermediate screw bases. Please verify your lamp's base type before purchasing to ensure compatibility. Perfect for 14.5-inch lava lamps, this bulb also works well in other small appliances that require a 25-watt light source. Experience a super bright, warm white glow that melts wax quickly. It provides 150 lumens of light and is resistant to high temperatures. Enjoy customizable lighting with its dimmable feature. This bulb is built to last over 2,000 hours, offering a relaxing ambience. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like? This bulb offers a warm white glow perfect for creating a relaxing ambience. If you enjoy the classic lava lamp experience and want a bulb that melts the wax quickly and provides consistent light, this is an excellent option. Its dimmable feature allows you to adjust the mood for movie nights or quiet evenings. What people say. The bulb provides a consistent and vibrant glow, perfect for creating a relaxing ambience. It fits perfectly into standard lava lamp sockets and heats up quickly to start the lava flow. The color produced by the bulb is a rich, deep red that enhances the visual appeal of the lava lamp. Number 3. Lava Lamp Replacement Bulbs, 25-watt, 6-pack. Ensure your lava lamp flows perfectly with these original replacement bulbs. Designed for optimal performance, they provide the heat needed for a mesmerizing display. These bulbs are built to last, resisting high temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. Enjoy a long-lasting glow with over 2,500 average rated hours of use. Experience a super bright, warm white light that melts the lava quickly. Its 150 lumens output provides comfortable illumination and sufficient heat. These dimmable bulbs offer versatile lighting options. They are perfect for standard lava lamps and other small appliances requiring a 25W light source. Each bulb measures approximately 2.2 inches in height and 1.35 inches in width. Please check the dimensions before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. This pack includes 6 high-quality 25-watt replacement bulbs. You'll have plenty on hand to keep your lava lamp shining bright for a long time. What we like? Designed specifically for lava lamps, this bulb ensures your lava flows smoothly and quickly. If you're a fan of vibrant, flowing lava lamp visuals and need a bulb that can withstand the heat, this is the one for you. Its long-lasting nature means less frequent replacements, so you can enjoy the mesmerizing display for longer. What people say. The bulb is a perfect fit for my lava lamp. It provides a bright and consistent glow, enhancing the lava lamp's effect. The color is vibrant and accurately represents the lava's movement. Number 2. BULBMASTER 25WS11 Incandescent Replacement Bulb, 2-pack. Introducing the BULBMASTER 25WS11 Replacement Bulbs. We are committed to providing you with high-quality lighting solutions. These bulbs are specifically designed as replacements for your 14.5 or 20-ounce lava lamps. They provide the perfect glow for your favorite lamp. Beyond lava lamps, these bulbs are also great for outdoor lighting and string lights. Their versatility makes them a great addition to your lighting collection. Experience a warm white incandescent glow with these S11 bulbs. They feature an intermediate E17 base and are designed for 120 to 130 volts. Unlike LED bulbs, these are fully dimmable, allowing you to set the perfect ambience. Enjoy approximately 2,000 hours of reliable light. With 220 lumens, these bulbs offer bright illumination while remaining energy efficient for their type. They provide consistent performance for all your lighting needs. What we like. This bulb is a great choice for those who appreciate the traditional incandescent glow and the ability to dim their lighting. If you're looking for a replacement for your 14.5-inch lava lamp or need a versatile bulb for outdoor string lights, this offers both functionality and ambience. Its dimmable nature makes it perfect for setting the mood in various settings. What people say. The bulb provides a consistent and vibrant glow, perfect for creating a relaxing ambience. It fits perfectly into standard lava lamp sockets and heats up quickly to start the lava flow. The color produced by the bulb is a rich, deep red that enhances the visual appeal of the lava lamp. Number 1. Wadoy LU70 MED70W High Pressure Sodium HID Light Bulb. Introducing the Wadoy LU70 MED, a powerful 70-watt high-pressure sodium light bulb. It's designed to provide bright, warm illumination for a variety of outdoor applications. This bulb is specifically engineered to work with ANSI code S62 ballasts. Please ensure your fixture is compatible before purchase for optimal performance. Experience a bright, warm amber glow with up to 6,000 lumens and a 2,100 K color temperature. It's perfect for enhancing visibility in parking lots, yards, and security areas. Featuring a standard E26 medium screw base and ED17 clear bulb shape, it fits seamlessly into compatible HID fixtures. Please note it's not suitable for LED only or standard household lamps without a matching ballast. This practical 3-pack set ensures you have enough bulbs for multiple fixtures or spares for future replacements. Keep your property well lit with ease. Enjoy an extended service life of up to 24,000 hours. This means fewer replacements and consistent lighting for your dusk to dawn, roadway, or security needs. What we like. This high-pressure sodium bulb is built for powerful outdoor illumination. If you need to light up large areas like parking lots, yards, or security perimeters, this bulb provides exceptional brightness and a warm amber light. Its long service life means reduced maintenance for your commercial or property lighting needs. What people say. The bulb provides a bright and consistent glow, perfect for illuminating the lava lamp's motion. It fits standard E12 sockets and heats up quickly, ensuring the lava starts flowing within minutes. The bulb's design is compact and emits a warm, inviting light that enhances the lamp's aesthetic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.